welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a sponsored video on these papers that were sent to me. The name of the company, they're on Amazon, is called Bleds. I will leave the a link to this down in the description. But today I just want to do a really quick showing of the papers and my initial review. They said that they found me from my YouTube channel, so they obviously know my style, the kind of work that I do, and they asked me if I would please just, give them an honest review of these papers if they sent them to me. So I agreed to it. I love flowers, and I love bees, and I love lemons. So, yeah, sure, let's see them. So let's have a look. So these papers are called Honey Flower. Let me look at my, here we go. Yep, y'all can see. Okay, they're called Honey Flower. This is how they arrived. They're 6x6 scrapbooking paper. And it says 6x6 paper pad, and it's 160 GSM cardstock. Okay. Now, y'all know that the majority of the colors that I use are neutrals, a little bit of pink, a little bit of green here and there. So I'm not a huge saturated color girl, but I love this. I do. I have done a journal with bees before, and sunflowers and poppies are one of my favorite flowers. So yeah, definitely loving that piece. And looks like you get 2 each. Pup was up on the table. Here's a couple of daisy papers. Cute. I really like this. This gives me that natural vibe that I love. Looks like we have some cornflowers and some butterflies, ladybugs. If y'all know me, you know that ladybugs are right up my alley. Absolutely love them. Some more bumblebees and some daisies. I really like this one. Okay, 2 of those. Here's a couple of flower pages. Daisies. Not sure. Looks like maybe some little white flowers. Love. Lemons, yes. Magnolia flowers, yes. Bees, excuse me, yes. Love it. And when I saw this page, when I was looking at their website, this is what made me decide, yes, I will do this review. I know exactly what I'm going to do with these papers when I saw this one. So, love the neutral bees and the plants. Love it. So pretty. Here's some bumblers, some bees. Okay. Some honeycomb. Got some patterned bees with plants as a background. I like that. It's pretty. Got some yellow neutral. Here we've got a really pretty blue forget-me-nots, daisies, and those beautiful bumblebees and ladybugs. And it is looking like there's 2 pages each of everything, but I'm picking up 2 at a time. So, and then we got some gray neutral bees here. I think that the project that I do with this is, I think it's going to turn out really pretty. Now, as for the feel of the paper, it's definitely cardstock. It's definitely thicker. It's, but it's not so thick that if you wanted to make a journal out of these or with these, that they're extremely easy to fold. I can see that, but I could also see it, being really good to make anything, tags or pockets or anything that you would like to make with that. So So far, so good. I'm really liking the look and feel of these. I will leave a link down in the description for y'all to go check them out. And I will be back later. I don't know when. I have so many projects going on right now, so much on my plate. But hopefully it will be soon. I want this to be a summary thing. But yeah, I will absolutely be back with the project that I make for these and give y'all my final review of how that went. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.